Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza kulcha at home. Mix 300 g flour, 1 tsp salt, 1 tsp sugar, 1 tsp instant yeast, 120 g yogurt, and 30 ml oil to form a smooth dough. Knead 5 to 7 minutes, then rest for 45 minutes until doubled. Roll into rounds about 6 inches, top with sauce, cheese, and herbs, then bake hot until bubbly and golden. Start with measured ingredients and warm water between 30 degrees C and 38 degrees C to activate yeast. Use yogurt to tenderize and oil to add softness and shelf life. Keep dough slightly tacky but not sticky by adjusting flour or water in small amounts. Cover with a damp cloth while it proofs to prevent a dry skin. After resting, gently deflate and divide into equal portions for consistent kulcha sizes and even baking. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more recipes. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes and saving ideas while cooking, and it fits neatly on a crowded counter. I love how easy it is to carry between kitchen and couch. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Finish each kulcha with a light layer of sauce so dough cooks through without sogginess. Use good melting cheese and apply sparingly to avoid heavy, doughy centers. Preheat your oven and a baking stone for even heat and a crisp bottom. Bake at 220 degrees C for about 8 to 12 minutes depending on thickness until cheese bubbles and edges brown. Let rest briefly before serving to set the toppings and avoid burns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.